What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Have Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm going to show you an amazing tweak that you must download. This tweak will transform your lock screen and home screen to a new experience by bringing awesome water effects as you see. This jailbreak tweak brings the stunning 3D OpenGL based water effects to your SpringBoard. With this tweak you can enjoy cool and interactive water effects on your lock screen and home screen by simply touching anywhere on the screen as you see. The tweak automatically overlays your wallpaper on the home screen or lock screen and adds interactive water effects. It uses OpenGL ES 2.0 to render water ripples on your screen, which gives a realistic and mesmerizing effect. The water animation looks amazing. The tweak supports Rootful and Rootless jailbreaks. This tweak comes with a number of customization options, and now I'm going to show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Celio or whatever you are using. I will open Celio. Go to the sources here and make sure to have this repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After entering the repo, go to the search here and search for AquaBoard XS. And as you see, this is the tweak. AquaBoard XS tweak, as I said, designed to make your experience smarter and beautifully. If you are tired of the boring home screen and lock screen, then this tweak transforms your experience by bringing awesome water effects on the lock and home screen. Additionally, AquaBoard XS tweak offers over 25 different ripple effects themes, which vary in size and depth, and several customization options, giving you the freedom to personalize the water effects according to your preferences. You can also set FPS for each animation. It offers a range of 27 different water ripple themes to choose from, each with its own style. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here, now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you are gonna do here is of course enable the tweak from here. Okay, this is the tweak. It has some options to customize. I'm gonna quickly explain all of these options. So the first option here is water appearance. This allows you to enable the water effects on both lock screen and home screen. In theme settings, here you can change the theme and frames per second. Here you can change aqua theme. The tweak offers 27 different ripple effect themes. The default theme is turbulence, but you can easily switch to any of the available themes. Okay, I will try raindrops. As you can see, it looks like raindrops. Okay, I will try aquasphere. This is good one. Now let's try abstract artist. So you can select any theme you like. In frames per second option here, you can set FPS for each animation. So I'm using 60 frames per second. The lower, the slower. Okay, I will test 45 FPS. As you see, it's now slower. Now I will test 10 FPS. And as you see, the animation is very slower. For me, I like the 60 frames per second, so I will keep it 60. Okay, here you can enable raining mode. This will add raindrop effects on the home screen without touching the screen as you see. So you can browse your icons while enjoying the fascinating water effects. Here you can choose the frequency of the raindrops with options for slow, normal or fast. So I will make it slow. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, it looks much better than the faster frequency. Here you can toggle the disallow rain touches option to prevent raindrops from appearing where you touch the screen. In extras option here you can enable splash on startup feature. It adds a splash animation when you first start up your device. And finally, with reset lock timer option, it prevents the lock screen from dimming when you touch the screen. And this is all the options that we have in this amazing tweak. So this is the tweak. AquaBoard XS makes your experience smarter and more beautifully. One of the most significant advantages of AquaBoard XS tweak is its energy efficiency. The OpenGL rendering stops when the ripples stop animating, or when the SpringBoard or lock screen is not visible, making it battery friendly. With AquaBoard XS, you can browse your icons while enjoying the fascinating water effects and show off your cool SpringBoard to your friends. It works by overlaying an effect on native wallpapers. This tweak is for those who want to add some life to their SpringBoard. It's a really beautiful tweak that I recommend you to give it a try. The repo is in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more Jailbreak Tweaks videos, and peace.